Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Genesis GV80 versus the GV90. The GV80 is Genesis's established mid-size luxury sport utility vehicle, offering powerful gasoline engine options. In contrast, the GV90 is an anticipated all-electric, full-size flagship SUV, representing the brand's future in electric mobility. We will explore their distinct characteristics, from performance and size to interior luxury and technological advancements, to help you understand what each model brings to the premium automotive landscape. The Genesis GV80, a prominent luxury SUV, comes with impressive powertrain options. You can choose between a 2.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine producing 300 horsepower or a more potent 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 with 375 horsepower. This versatile SUV comfortably seats 5, with an available third row for 7 passengers. Its cabin boasts premium materials, including available Nappa leather, and a large 27-inch panoramic OLED display for an immersive experience. Looking ahead, the Genesis GV90 is poised to be the brand's largest and most luxurious all-electric SUV. This future flagship is expected to deliver an impressive electric range, potentially exceeding 300 miles on a single charge. It will likely feature 3 rows of seating, offering expansive interior space and cutting-edge technology. Rumors suggest innovative elements like rear-hinged coach doors and a rollable OLED display, setting a new standard for electric luxury and convenience. The primary distinction between these two Genesis SUVs lies in their powertrain and size. The GV80 provides traditional gasoline power and a mid-size footprint, appealing to those seeking proven performance and luxury. The upcoming GV90, however, will be an all-electric, full-size vehicle, designed for buyers prioritizing zero emissions, advanced technology, and maximum space. While both offer premium experiences, the GV80 serves the present luxury market, and the GV90 represents Genesis's bold electric future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.